Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to connect to Bluetooth in the Mercedes-Benz Citan. So you have your infotainment system here and you just want to make sure you've got Bluetooth up on your phone. So if you click to phone on the system and connect device, make sure Bluetooth is on your own phone and then click connect new device and it will begin to search for one. As you can see, it's come up with Danny's iPhone. So you just click that one and it will begin to connect. Then you'll have a pairing request on your iPhone and you just want to permit that and allow. Then it will give you the option to connect either to Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay. You can also do Android Auto. In this case, we're going to go with Apple CarPlay. And you basically just want to accept the data protection statement. So you click accept and start and then also connect on the phone. And that will begin to start Apple CarPlay and you can see that it's all connected and it's on the screen. So this will allow you to use things like maps, access your music and also make phone calls.